everyone, welcome back to another Kitchen of 9 episode where you ask and I answer. After so many requests of my cooking, I was like, okay guys, you convinced me again to share some of my favorite recipes. Thank you guys for sending in the questions to know more about my recipes, how I make them, how to save time and get the maximum taste out of them. For those who don't know me, I'm Christine and also known as Miss 9, where I compose music, perform, tour in clubs and on festivals, and during this time where the travels are very limited, I will share and show you something new, something very quick, something tasty, something light, and where you get a lot of energy out of it. What I prepared so far is the vegetables. I washed them. We have fish. And I already put some oil in the pan. And all we have to do is just cook and plan. All I have to do is cut them, mix them with oil and seasoning. Today I have a very nice yellowfin tunfish steak. Some of you know that I love to travel and love to discover cultures and also connect with the people and local hotspots. So this is a tunfish steak, a yellowfin tuna. I don't know where it comes from. I can't really tell you into what culture I will dive in today with the cooking. In the meantime, during the cooking process, I will come up with a name for this dish. So let's get started. Oh, once again. So I cut the onions roughly. Then I cut the zucchini. Watch out to not cut your fingers during this process. I'm gonna put that already on the fire because this takes the longest. Seasoning. And I'm also gonna put some of this in there just to have another type of veggie for the taste. Also have to try. I will fry the veggies very short to keep, you should not talk with an open mouth. Have the veggies in the oil for just a little bit to keep the vitamins and everything in there. And then I'm gonna add the rest of the mix. Almost done. And while the veggies cook, you can add soya sauce or any other taste like coconut milk or anything else what makes your taste buds happy. I just keep it simple because I have to run right after this. Veggies are done. And here comes the yellowfin tuna. That's a nice one. I see the tuna on both sides on high fire to keep the inside a little bit raw. So medium rare. This is how I like it. Ooh, it's getting smoky in here. And voila, the dish is ready. A super healthy meal in a short time. And you can add potatoes, pasta, rice, mix the vegetables with it so you have the taste from the veggies and the fish on the pasta. Usually I do that in the oil what's left in the pan. But I have to run and leave the studio right after this. And as you can see here on the side, the tuna is a little bit raw. I will also cut it so you can see it from the inside. That's how I like it. It smells amazing, and you can finish it off with a little bit of sweet balsamic vinegar on top to have it a more culinary look. How do I gonna call this one? Maybe you can help me to find a title for this specific dish by leaving a comment, and also let me know what else you want me to cook with. So let's say, well, please no pork, because I'm not a pork fan. I try to be more vegetarian, eat more colors. I will take you with me into my other kitchen adventures. For now, I want to say thank you guys for tuning in, and also your feedback is very important to me to make new videos and show you around in my world. I'm gonna cut it open so you can see it. So as you can see, I'm gonna taste it. That's really nice. And I'm sure if you add some lemon balsamic vinegar, like the sweet one, or some extra soy sauce, you get another Asian touch or Mediterranean touch to it. So it really depends on in which direction you want to take it. I keep it more European, Dutch, German. I think I found a title for this one. The Yellowfin on Tour in Amsterdam. This is how I'm gonna call it. So, and I'm also still excited to know your title of how you would call that. That's it for today. Catch you very soon. Bye.